Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. In Russian death case, special team sent to Himachal Pradesh to verify another waiter who was over-friendly to Russian girl. No arrest till now. The 7 MLAs grouped together to save Vishwajit's cabinet berth threaten dire consequences if Vishwajit's ministry is touched. Casino owners face harsh reaction from anti-casino lobby on not moving out statement. BJP AG warns casino owners to not act at Supremos. Ravi says no question of resignation on desecration issue. Mahanand confesses 9th murder. Police expect more skeletons coming out. Goa Cricket Association wants the government to implement some provisions of sports policy from June. And Goa Bodybuilding and Fitness Association gets Federation's nod. Golden Jubilee National Championship to be held in the state. Now the news in detail. As a part of investigation in the Russian death case, a team has been sent to Himachal Pradesh by Goa police to verify the other waiter who was over-friendly with the Russian girl. SP of Special Cell Atmaram Deshpande informed us that till now no detentions have taken place, but police are verifying the case.
No, there has been no detention as such, but verification has been done with all persons who could be connected or concerned with this particular case. So we have verified the details of, including the waiters who were at the shack and all. So verification is on.
Deshpande also informed us that the team which has gone to Himachal Pradesh to investigate the case will be back on Wednesday.
The team has gone to Himachal Pradesh to be reached tomorrow, but outcome will be known as soon as they are back.
PRO of Konkan Railway Baban Gadge has said that normally if any accident occurs or any person slips from the train, then body falls outside the track. Gadge also informed that police has given a letter to Konkan Railway to coordinate and ask if anybody saw Elena moving by the train. Similarly, he said that commercial department is investigating the case.
त्यांच्याने एक लेटर दिला कोंकण रेल्वे आम्ही सकाळचे जे ट्रेनी होतात त्याचे पॅसेंजर असिस्टंट जे TTE असतात त्यांच्याकडे चेक करचे असे कोणी फॉरेनर ट्रॅव्हल करले असतात बोर्ड केल्ले असतात ते आता कमर्शियल डिपार्टमेंटाकडे लेटर आसा कमर्शियल डिपार्टमेंट इज फॉर द इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग.
Our video journalist from Panji, Sunny Narvekar, and our reporter from Savarde, Mayur Naik.
Here comes more help for Vishwajit Rane from the group of 7 MLAs. Tourism Minister Miki Pacheco has threatened to topple the government if any moves are made to drop Vishwajit Rane from the cabinet. Education Minister Babush Monsrat too has supported Health Minister and does not want his removal.
There has been demand from opposition to drop Vishwajit Rane from minister's post after charge sheet was filed against him in Iris threat call case. Babush, Miki and Vishwajit are part of a group of 7 MLAs who last year had revolted against Digambar Kamath-led government. The other members of the group are Jose Philip D'Souza, Nilkhant Halankar, Sudin Dhavdikar and Deepak Dhavdikar.
माशेत पासून प्रयत्न करीतो विश्वजीताक ड्रॉप करपाक ज्या दिसाक हांव सरकार उडयतो हिंग मर्डर कोत्ताय 7-8 मर्डर केलो हाय तें चवकस कोण करिना आनी बारीक कोणाक कितें सांगलें कोणाक कितें म्हणलें तेंची चार्जशीट कोत्ताय जाल्यार सरकारा कोण होम मिनिस्ट्री सारकें जाग्यार ना दिसता म्हाका जो कोण कंप्लेन आहा तेजे रेकॉर्ड जाय हो कोण आयरिस रॉड्रिग्स म्हणून तेजे रेकॉर्ड कर इज अ बायस.
Earlier, MGP leader Sudin Dhavdikar too has showed its support to the health minister. They, along with education minister Babush Monsrat, don't want any action against the health minister.
And MGP has already told that they will not keep quiet if any action is taken. So what?
No, I also stand by that.
It is very clear on just mere filing of charge sheet. If anyone has got to resign, this will become a mockery of everything. I think this is the height of I don't know what to say.
Last year, Dayanand Narvekar had to leave the finance portfolio after charges were framed against him in ticket scam case. Opposition had demanded same justice from the government by dropping Vishwajit Rane. But surprisingly, on Tuesday, Dayanand Narvekar did not demand removal of Health Minister. Narvekar said that mere charge sheet is not a base for any minister's removal.
So my statement is, if you file a charge sheet, it doesn't mean the minister has to resign. Because there is nothing in the law or even morally, I don't think anybody has the right to ask anybody's resignation if the charge sheet is filed.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut, from Panji, Rakesh Khandolkar, and video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Anti-casino activists and BJP have condemned casino operators' stand of not moving out of Mandavi River. BJP has said that such statement of casino operators is an insult to the government and casino operators should not act as supremos.
Couple of months back, government had ordered casinos to move into Aguada Bay. Later, the casino operators went to the High Court and received a stay on the government order. On Monday, casino operators informed media that they don't wish to move out of Mandovi River, but are ready for any other constructive policies of the government. Aam Aadmi Aurat Against Gambling, better known as AAG, is fighting against casinos in Goa. One of the active members of AAG, Sabina Martins, criticized the statement of casino operators. Sabina Martins also termed the Association of Casino Operators as nothing but a cartel which is dictating terms to the government.
And we had predicted right in the beginning that when casinos are allowed in, they will form cartels and they are going to dictate terms to the government. And this is exactly what is happening. And it is high time that we realize the damage the casino economy is going to do to Goa and close it down completely.
She also said that they would ask authorities to stop advertisements of casinos in Goa. On the other hand, BJP too has criticized casino operators. BJP spokesperson Govind Parvatkar said that casino operators should not act as supremos of Goa and should wait for the court judgment in this matter.
Government cannot compel the casinos or the so-called casino owners association to obey the rules. So we see that who is stronger, government is stronger or casino association is stronger. It looks as on today the casino association is stronger than the government. This is very much insulting to the government and also to the Goans indirectly. They cannot make statement like this that they will not go and they are not the supremos of Goa. The people of Goa are supreme.
Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Khandolkar.
We are heading for a short break. Watch Ravi Naik fires back at Parikar. Mahanand confesses his 9th murder. And more news after a short break.